Epau tuke Kakamega Homeboys uoka modhi no ginono gi club mar FC Leopards ka club mar Tusker omero jo-bengi ma KCB gi gonde ariyo kuom nono tuke adhula lig maduong' ma pachoka. E lap ma Police Sacco club mar Kariobangi Sharks no uoka modhi gol achiel kuom achiel gi club mar FC Talanta. Alex Jumanolo ne Talanta gol mar gedeka mar 41 kapok jatugo John Makwata nolo ne Kariobangi Sharks gol mar gedeka mar 76. Chris Serambo ka achiel gi John Juguna noloyo ne Tusker. Sina strip so
game ya leo nafikiri vile nilikuwa nimeplan game ya leo sio vile tumecheza. Nafikiri nilikuwa na deserve kuwin because nafikiri make some mistakes zimetu affect, tumepiga draw of which pia nimepoteza chances, but there is nothing I can do. It shall happen. Nita plan game next.
I think this point will add up to something. I've come to realize that there's some bit of, I will say, pressure whenever the team is down there. So every action counts. Every action counts. And today's positive actions again from Mark or John Makwata, I mean, getting us a goal and at least getting us a point.
Wadhi mbele.